Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online maths class. Last class we learned about perimeter. Now we are going to see about area. Area for rectangle and square. So let's we see the formula directly. Here we have for formula for perimeter we learned. Now we are going to see about area of a rectangle formula and area of a square formula. We know that rectangle has length and breadth. If we are adding all the sides, we will get perimeter. If you are multiplying length and breadth, we will get area. That is the only different. There we will add 2 length and 2 breadth. Here we want to multiply only 1 length and 1 breadth. Therefore, the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. For the formula for area of a square is, we know that all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal for the square, so that we are multiplying the any two sides, that is length of one side into length of one side, that is the same length for all the sides for the square. So we are going to multiply the two sides. What is the question is given that we want to multiply twice, we will get area of a square. Okay ma, let's we see the example. We'll understand the sum and that formula. Example 1.5. What is the area of the rectangle of the length 10 cm and breadth is 8 cm? I told you the solution. We'll see now. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. That is a formula. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is 10, breadth is 8. So 10 8s are 80. 10 8s are 80. But here we have to put a square unit. For the area alone, we should use the square units. That is square units. Square units only we want to use, because the area can be denoted by the square units. Okay, therefore the area of a rectangle is 80 square centimeter. Okay, let's see the next example. A wall that is 6 meter long and 2 meter wide has to be painted. If the labor charges are rupees 20 per square meter, what is the cost of labor for the painting the full wall? So here which is, it is a meter long and wide is given means, so that is a wall is a rectangle. Wall is a rectangle. So area of a wall is equal to length of a wall into breadth of a wall. That is 6 into 2. That is equal to 12. So therefore the area of a wall is 12 square meter. Labor cost for 1 square meter is 20 rupees. So for the, now we want to paint for 12 square meters of that wall. So that is equal to 12 into 20, which is equal to rupees 240. Therefore the cost for the labor for painting the wall is rupees 240. If you are giving 240 rupees, the wall could be painted fully. Okay ma, let's see the next example. What is the area of a square with side of 12 centimeter? So the direct question is there. Area of a square is equal to, we want to find. For that we know the formula, length of a side into length of a side. So 12 12s are 12 multiplied by 12, which is equal to 144. Therefore the area of a square is 144 square centimeter. Next question is, one side of a square room is 3 meter. If the cost of labor for laying 1 square meter of the floor is rupees 25, what is the total cost of the labor? So here we want to find the area of a square room. So that is equal to length of a side into length of a side. 3 3s are 9. So area of a 1 square room is equal to, area of a square room is 9 square meter. The labor cost for laying 1 square meter for flooring is rupees 25, means 9 square meter is equal to 25 into 9, which is equal to 225, which is equal to 225. Let's see the next sum in exercise 1.2, question number 3. If the cost of 1 square meter of a plot is rupees 800, find the total cost of the plot that is 50 meter long and 10 meter breadth. They are giving total cost for 1 square meter cost for plotting is given. We want to find the total cost. So first here is a plot out length and breadth is given, that is long and breadth. So it is a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 15 into 10. So 15 into 10 is 150. So we got the square area of a plot is equal to 150 square meter. The cost for 1 square meter for the plot is rupees 800. Therefore 150 meter is equal to 150 into 800, which is equal to 15 into 8. 8 5s are 40, balance 4, 1 8 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So 120 here we have 20 in 800, 10 in 150. We'll all add the 3 zeros, we'll get 1,20,000 rupees. So the total cost for the whole plot is rupees 1,20,000. Move on to the next question. The side of a square is 6 cm. The length of a rectangle is 10 cm and the breadth is 4 cm. Find the area and perimeter of both the square and rectangle. So we want to find the area and perimeter for both square and rectangle. So we have a side of a square. First we will find the perimeter and area for the square. So side of a square is equal to 6 cm. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side, that is equal to 4 into 6, which is equal to 24 centimeter. So perimeter of a square is equal to 24 centimeter. Next we will find the area of a square. Area of a square is equal to length of one side is equal to 6 centimeter. Area of a square is equal to length of one side into length of one side, that is equal to 6 into 6, which is equal to 36 square centimeter. We want to write the square centimeter for area. So area of a square is equal to 36 square centimeter. Now we will see the rectangle area and perimeter. So length of a rectangle is equal to 10 centimeter and breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So 2 into length is 10 plus 2 into breadth is 4. So 2 tens are 20 plus 2 fours are 8, which is equal to 28 centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 28 centimeter. Now see the area. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So 10 into 4, which is equal to 40. So therefore the area of a square is equal to 40 square centimeter. This is the way we want to do the sum. Next we will see the last sum. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall which is 14 meter long and 10 meter breadth if the cost of laying is rupees 60 per square meter? Here length and breadth is given. So this is a rectangle. It's a rectangle assembly hall. So we are going to find the labor cost for the laying, whole labor cost. So first we will see the area. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 14 into 10, which is equal to 140 square meter. 140 square meter. Now we will say that cost of laying for 1 square meter is equal to rupees 60. So therefore 140 meter is equal to 140 multiplied by 60. 140 multiplied by 60, that is equal to multiplying 14 into 66. 14 into 6 is 84. 14 6 are 84. We have 2 zeros. So that add means 8,400 rupees. We want to for cost for assembly flooring, we want to do for the assembly hall cost is rupees 8,400. Okay ma, today's session is completed. Today's homework exercise 1.2 question number 1 and 2. Today's session is completed. Thank you.